Right there.
Gosh, what a rookie. Okay.
So first, do you want to add a picture to it for a birthday?
Yeah, so I think he's only going to be one, but he's going to be a football player, right?
Yeah.
Or what do you play?
I play baseball.
Nah, he's going to play football. His dad went to Notre Dame. He's a football player. But now what do I do?
So first, you can click the plus button in the little corner.
Click bus?
You can click image.
Image. Should have brought my glasses. All right.
So we could search up anything and find any football.
Oh, right here.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, I got it.
And you can add it up.
Said add to canvas. Cool.
Then if you can add just football, or if we want to, we could add text.
I'd like to add text.
Put
His name's
happy birthday on it. Or
Happy
whatever.
Birthday,
Yeah.
Oliver, future QB.
Yeah. We could add
What
whatever.
do you think? Is that pretty cool?
Yeah, that would be good. So then you can add.
Oh, I can recenter it around there too.
Yeah, you can add it, and then if we want to, you can go to adjustments right here, and you could curve it around it.
Oh, I can curve it.
You can do a lot of different stuff. You could curve it. You could change the letter spacing. So if you want them to be farther apart.
I'd like to curve it around and maybe have Oliver come around like that.
Yeah, so you can go click adjustments. It'll be right there. You can
Okay,
click
adjustments. All right, that's where I go.
And then
Text curve.
Text curve. And if you pull it this way to the right, yeah, it'll curve that way.
Oh, so cool.
And the other way, it'll curve backwards.
I don't think we like that.
Cool. And now I need another text below.
Yeah, so you can add text again.
So I go to, where's text again? I got to go
the
to this.
plus again. You can click the plus one more time. And then you can just type up whatever you want to add.
Okay, his name's Oliver. And I'm going to put number 1. What do you think? Because it's his first birthday?
Yeah.
But he could think it's like his future number.
Yeah.
So you guys then send this to a printer? Or?
Yeah, so now you're done designing it. So then the next step would be to cut it out
Okay.
and add the laminate, which you'll do over there. Well, right now we're in the process of doing Miss Springer's, which is an 8th grade teacher, I'm pretty sure.
All right.
And basically what we do is the one you were just at over there, they save to iCloud and they send it to our computer.
Okay.
And then we open it and we press make.
Yeah.
And then we take this piece of vinyl right here and then we put it on the mat and make sure it's lined up with the measurements on the sides.
Mm-hmm.
And then we line it up with these things right here. And then I press make it.
Yep.
And when it's ready, the buttons will start like flashing.
Yeah. Nice.
Actually,
Now that it's done,
this one just got done.
the button's gonna be flashing when you just press it and take it out.
Wow.
And then all I do is I peel this off. And I send it to the next station.
Okay, now what are we doing, folks?
Okay, so you're gonna take this weeder. Here it is. So it doesn't really matter how you do it. So right here, you can see the gap where those lines are. So you would put this point in, go a little bit, make sure it lifts, and then once it does, pull. And then you can just set that aside and then do that until everything's gone off that. And then you can put that on. And once you put on transfer tape. And there's really
Seriously, you want me to do this?
Yeah. As long as it looks like that.
Okay.
Well, there's some big chunks you
Big
can get.
chunks? You want me to do some big chunks? I do sort of see those now. Come on. Man, that is a fine line, though. Look how fine that line is, and it didn't break.
Yeah.
You guys are good teachers, because you really made me feel comfortable doing this. Okay.
This probably one of the easiest stages just because like all you're doing is like picking at it.
Yeah, yeah. Let's do the head, like you said. I'll finish with the head. See if I. Uh-oh.
Sometimes you have a hand.
Got a hand. There we go. Oh my gosh, look at the eye. I was wondering how that was going to work. Whoops. Oh, it's going all the way down there, isn't it?
Yes. Connects kind of to the neck.
Ah, now it looks like a tortoise. Okay.
There we go.
Well, thank you two very much. Now what are we off to?
We would put this on. So like, you want to help us apply this one onto the door?
Sure, if you want to do that.
You think that's straight?
I think it's going a little downhill to your left.
No,
Gotcha.
You can do this part.
I can do this part? All right.
Take the squeegee and do it just like how we put the letters on this piece.
All right. So, again, making sure it has good contact, right?
Yes. That looks pretty good.
Pretty good?
And then what you would do at the end, just take this diagonal. You want to start going down diagonal. Make sure all the letters stick.
Oh, that's a trick of the trade, huh? You got that down, man. And I bet you're going to go back and use that
Or if you
spatula to do it some more.
you
Yeah,
want to
like
do
that.
it lightly like this, because if
Lightly.
you do it hard, then
Yeah.
everything will just wrinkle.
Oh, man, sounds like you've done this a few times.
I have.
Thanks, partner.
Keep going.
All right, man. Cool.
Then you can go over it lightly,
All right.
and then you can feel for bubbles. It all looks good. I'd say
Good
we
job,
did it.
man. That was awesome. We're done. Mrs. Springer,
Yes.
welcome.
Thank you. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. So, hub.
What's the hub?
All right. It's a hub of activity.
A
Hub of learning.
activity. That's right. Thank you guys.
Bubble.
Nice job,
So
man.
then we just take this back to the room, and then we can put it back on the back end.
So, Mrs. Finneran, I've been in this classroom and very creative, very innovative. Definitely see connections to schools of success. How did this come to pass?
So we were looking for an extension class for our students who were really successful in math. And we wanted to have a course that integrated math concepts and they could see it in real world application. So we ended up meeting with the Career Academy and seeing what crossroads we could have with the Career Academy and also with Northside because they are our family school.
Right.
And we thought this would be a wonderful program for our kids to get to know, and it has some pretty natural extensions to both the Northside program and the Career Academy.
Gotcha. So it's a semester course?
Yes.
And for what group of students?
We started with sixth grade,
All right.
and last year it was our first year, and so we had just sixth grade students who were in the math extension class. This year we're opening it to all sixth graders,
Nice.
and next year we plan to have it for seventh and eighth grade as well.
So, again, if I talk schools of success, Northside has, well, all of our high schools have something called business and the arts.
Yep.
So I could see an application there, talking with some of the students, entrepreneurship, that sort of thing. But also, they're learning all the social success skills that we've been really embedding since pre-K, and I know that certainly you're doing this. So what do you think the primary skill they're receiving from this experience would be, if I look at the 6 competencies?
I think cultural agility is one. We've talked a lot with the kids about needing to really fit who they're working with. So
Yeah.
if they're working with a kid, what they're going to design is going to be much different than if they're working with a teacher.
Yeah.
Also the creativity and innovation, and then just the collaboration. Everything they're doing is in pairs. And
Yeah.
so they really have to work together and understand the multiple steps of the process
Gotcha.
and making sure that everything runs smoothly. They've made
So-
a lot of posters for our building. They've made anchor charts and posters for our
No, for
teachers. and-
teachers?
yeah.
Awesome. So you tied in some math, you tied in some entrepreneurship, and then so they're seeing real world applied to math. They're also seeing how do we apply this to almost a project-based learning type activity as well. So who's our teacher?
Ms. Bowers, and she really has done such an amazing job. I came to her with this idea, and she kind of looked at me. She's like, "Are you sure?" I was like, "Yes, I think we can do this. It's
Yeah.
going to be great." And we worked together. I love doing cricket personally,
Yeah.
so we worked together to kind of set up how the course would run. And she has just taken it and gone so much further than we ever even thought would be possible.
Yeah.
So
Well, congratulations.
Thank
Job well done.
thank you. We're
Appreciate
proud
it.
of our kids and our
We
teachers.
should be. Kids were amazing.
Yes, you have a good group in here.
Yeah, and tell our teacher too, she's amazing being able to take on something new, different, and it's working.
Yes, and I think we're having a lot of success with it.
Awesome.